I'm speaking live from the Global Education Fair in Mumbai. We've had a very successful event. It's still going on. We've had over 60 universities coming in from different parts of the globe. So from Australia, Canada, New Zealand, Singapore, Dubai, New Zealand, so we've had people, and the US as well. So it's been an extremely successful event. We've managed to host in excess of 600 students today from Mumbai who are perhaps going to study abroad. At Global Opportunities, students are at the forefront, and we ensure that whatever we do, we keep the first interest of the student in mind. So, if you really want to know more about Global Opportunities, you must check us out on our website. Our website is www.global-opportunities.net. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter. We're extremely active out there. Drop us a note and we'll be happy to speak with you. We've got 3 offices in Mumbai. We've got one in Dadar, one in Bandra West, and one at Thane West. Strategically located, so you can easily hop off your local trains and come and visit us. We've got expert counselors there, and not just the event. So this happens only thrice a year, but the other 360 odd days we are at your service. So welcome abroad and join Global Opportunities.